Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Sangeeta. To begin with, let's take a look on today's headlines. Miki Pashiko got proposal to join National Congress Party. NCP spokesperson say we welcome Miki in our party. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will stay to his word. Advocate Suhas Naik. And before holding national sports in the state, all the required infrastructure should be completed. MLA Vishnu Suryawag. Now the news in detail. I have got many proposals from different parties to join them, and the same time I have got proposal from NCP too, but I have not thought it over it yet, said MLA Miki Pashiko. Talking to the RDX reporter on Friday, he had stated that he is not interested in joining any party. While speaking to the NCP President Nilkant Halankar on the phone regarding the issue, he said that Sharad Pawar and Miki Pashiko shares a good bond. We welcome Miki Pashiko in our party if he would like to join us, he added.
A lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of proposal comes from different corners. That doesn't mean I should consider. Okay.
But there was a proposal from NCP also.
There are proposals, but of course, the party doesn't have representation in the Vidhan Sabha, so they probably want. But that doesn't mean there is such anything there, and really I'm taking such a party will decide what to do and when to do. I will definitely first thing I'll do inform the media.
Miki पळय जेन्ना साहेब मे म्हयन्यान येयलो तेन्ना मिकीक मेळ्ळा आनी तेजे संपर्क साहेबा कडेन आसात. साहेब तो कितें सांगता पळय आपले आहा ते तेंचे पॉझिटिव्ह आसतलें चलता आसतलें येवपाचें, पूण जर येवपाचें आसलें तर ते फायनल जर आमच्या लेवलाक येतलें कित्याक हांवें ते आतां भितर यो तो पक्ष तर यो सगळें त्या लेवलाकूच तेंचें उलोवप जाता त्याच हेजेर आमच्या लेवलाक न्हू. सो हे जाल्यार ते आमकां कम्युनिकेट करतले, सो वी आर वेलकमिंग. हायकमांड जे आहा आनी तेंचे दोन आमदार आसा तो पक्ष न्हू, सो त्या लेवलाकूच तेंचे उलोवप जालें आमच्या लेवलाक न्हू, समजलें. सो त्या लेवलाक तेंचे चलता, सो जाल्यार वेल एंड गूड. आनी आमचो तेका हें आसतलो वेलकमिंग हिम. आनी आमच्या पक्षान येवपाक ऑलरेडी आमच्या पक्षान आसलो, तेका आमची तशें वागणूकूय आसली आनी ही नोज आमचो पक्ष कितें तो. सो आमचो नॅशनल पक्ष आसलो आनी इज कम्फर्टेबल.
पण तुमचे अजूनही पक्षाचे संबंध बरे असतात.
त्याच्याने आमच्या हायकमांडाचे संबंध बरे आहात आणि त्याप्रमाणे म्हाका दिसता जावंक शकता ते.
The word given by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on 29th August at Azad Maidan to restart the mining activity in Goa will be initiated and all the legal documents will be submitted in the Court of Mining Dependent People, said Mining People Front convener Advocate Suhas Naik. The hearing of mining field pleas will be taken up by the Supreme Court on September 17, as assured by the court earlier.
29 ऑगस्टाक आझाद मैदानाचेर गोंयच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान गोंयच्या लोकांक उतर दिल्लें की गोंयचो मायनिंगेचो धंदो चालू करपा खातीर हर तरेचे प्रयत्न गोंयचो सरकार करतलो म्हणून. म्हणून कांय गजाली पेपरांनी आयल्यात की गोंयच्या सरकारान अजूनय खुबश्यो दस्तावेज जे आसा, रिपोर्ट्स जे आसात जावं सर्वे जे आसात ते अजूनय कंडक्ट करूंक ना आनी तेजी आमकां वी आर वरीड अबाउट दॅट. आमकां ताजे बद्दल खंत आसा, म्हणून आमकां विश्वास आसा की गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री जें उतर तेणी आमकां आझाद मैदानाचेर दिल्लें तें पाळटलो म्हणून. गोंयच्या सरकाराचेर आमचो खूब विश्वास आसा. वी आर होपफूल की जें कितें जाय CECन मागला, MOEFन मागला, सुप्रीम कोर्टान मागला ते सगळे दस्तावेज गोंयचो सरकार, गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री खास करून सुप्रीम कोर्टान पेश करतलो. आनी जे एफिडेविट इन एविडन्स आनी स्टेटस रिपोर्ट एफिडेविटा वरवीं जे फायज करपाक जाय तो स्टेटस रिपोर्टूय सुप्रीम कोर्टान फायज करतलो. आनी गोंयच्या मायनिंगेचो धंदो बेगींतल्या बेगीन चालू करपा खातीर हर तरेचे प्रयत्न गोंयचो सरकार करतलो ही आमकां अपेक्षा आसा. आनी सरकाराक आमची विनंती आसा की आनीक वेळ काडनाका, कित्याक खूब वेळ जाल्लो आसा आणि लोक खूप त्रासान आसात. लोकांचो आनीक सहनशीलतेचो अंत पळोवं नाका. बेगींतल्या बेगीन मायनिंगेचो धंदो चालू जावपा खातीर जी पावलां सरकारान काडपाक जाय ती सगळीं पावलां सरकारान मारपाक जाय. आनी वी आर होपफुल की 17 तारखेर हियरींग सुप्रीम कोर्टान येवपाचें आसा आनी 17 तारखेर हियरींग जाल्या उपरांत कांय तरी इंटरीम ऑर्डर गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन गोंयच्या लोकांच्या फावरान येतली आनी गोंयच्या मायनिंगेचो धंदो जो बंद पडला तो खंय ना खंय तरी चालू जातलो.
All the check policies done should be through Tourist Trade Act, requested Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo during the meeting with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and MLA Miki Pacheco. Here and there many questions arises regarding the check, so there should be a permanent solution for this, he added. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
हांव मिकी पाचेको ऑनरेबल सीएमाक मेवला. ऑलरेडी शेक पॉलिसी जी आहा ती एवरी इयर त्रास जावचे न्हू म्हणून आमी सीएमाकूय सांगला की ही ट्युरिस्ट ट्रेड एक्टान घालची म्हणून आनी रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन सारके ले डावन करचे तांकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवचे. दोनूय जे युनियन आहा तांकां दोगांयकूय आनी वन सेट ऑफ रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन वीच every year no shack owner should come to the minister, MLA or anybody. So the rules and regulations are in place. So I have told Miki Pacheco to bring the in the coming assembly to propose amendments. I will also propose amendments. That policy should be out and it should be included in the Tourist Trade Act.
Would it be a calling attention that would be made in the coming assembly?
Of course it will be a calling attention. See, our concern is that 100 people from South Goa, 200 from North Goa are coming to Miki's house, Michael Lobo's house, CM's residence, minister's house every year. For what reason? Because they want to include something or the other, change the policy slightly, bring it this side, bring it that side. So how do we balance it? So let there be proper set of rules and regulations in place, and that will be followed under Tourist Trade Act. So it will be a law. Right now it is not a law, it is just a policy, which is again and again challenged in the High Court.
What does the CM have to say on this?
CM also is in favor of bringing down rules and regulations and a permanent policy which will be a law, which will be in the Tourist Trade Act, amendment to Tourist Trade Act.
I had a discussion with the CM. I think maximum I was the tourism minister, and what I had all these years experience in tourism department, I told them, if you want to accommodate all the shack been running all these years together, I said you need to few things point you have to add. Policy, I told them all these years they've been running from MLAs and ministers to chief minister. I told them make 80%, 4 years and above experience. From 1 to 3, 10%, and another 10% for new. That means, and this 10% for this time, 10%, all will be given for 3 years. I think in that, I think all will be accommodated.
More news will follow after a short commercial break. High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Sanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Sanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Sanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Sanford.
Utsav Traders, wholesale distributor and stockist for water tanks. ISO 9001 quality assurance, double layer tank Dolphin with 10 years warranty. Triple layer tanks Jalpari with 20 years warranty. Non-corrosive, excellent strength. At plot number 3, landscape development near Korlim Panchayat, Church Ward. Korlim, Ilas, Old Goa. For free delivery, contact 0832 322 3607, 860 5033 737. Utsav Traders.
Bhavani Desi Kendra. Prefer country-made products with great zest and zeal to make the country strong. Address: Shop number 5, Anant Apartment, Naikvado, Kalangut, Bardes, Goa. Distributor for Bardes Taluka. For trade inquiry, contact 9822-122-529 or 9689946529.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आनी धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Goa's first Junior MasterChef registration started. Workshop, audition and competition at the Institute. First prize winner ₹1 lakh. Trophy 3-night stay. Runner-up prize ₹50,000. Admissions open of 6 months and 1 year hotel management. Log on to www.saidadamanagement.com. Telephone number 9158767634.
Welcome back. Sunburn should be held at Kandolim Beach only, said NCP spokesperson Trojan De Mello. Due to the internal fights between the present government, they are thinking of shifting the Sunburn festival, criticized NCP spokesperson Trojan De Mello. Gautam Shirurkar reports from Mapsa.
Sunburn has become a popular event for the last 5 to 6 years in Kandoli itself. Shifting of event so that other parts of Goa also benefit is not an answer to the solution. This event was there when the National Congress Party had the portfolio, tourism portfolio over with them. And this continued. The issue is the tussle that is going on. It is an internal BJP tussle of trying to extract mileage from this event. The local MLA who says that he wants traffic arrangements and so forth is just a cover-up, because traffic arrangements can never be done to any satisfaction. You cannot widen the roads within 3 months now. It is not possible. So what is that? What is he trying to say? That all this time that there was a possibility to make arrangements and it could not be made? Let the government bring another event and take it there. Many people will lose business over here. I am not saying the South people should not get. Changing the site of event does not solve the problem. They tried it with the seafood festival, which should take place where thousands of people used to flock in Panjim. They changed the venue. Where is the seafood festival? Disappeared. Changing the event is no solution for some other part of Goa to earn business. We are not against anybody earning business. It has been established over here. People are used to it. Organized are used to it. This is all a tussle between the minister and this local MLA to try to see how much mileage they can get from this situation. I don't want Sunburn in Kandoli. Sunburn has always been in Kandoli, and I believe it should continue there. The local panchayat also does not object to it. That means, see, certain disturbances, certain opposition is always going to be there. When the local panchayat itself demands it, that means the local people want it.
Apna Sahkari Bank's new 52 branches will be initiated on 15 September at Mapsa. This branch will be inaugurated at the hands of Corporation Minister Deepak Dhavlikar, Municipal Chairperson Sandeep Ferrari and other dignitaries will be present for this occasion, informed Bank Chairperson Dattaram Salkhe. Gautam Shirolkar reports from Mapsa.
सहकारी बँक आता मुंबईतली किती मंडळींना माहिती नाही, मुंबईमध्ये ना सहकारी बँकेचा जो ग्राहक आहे तो आमच्या कुठच्याही म्हणजे आम्ही पहिल्यांदा मुंबई झाला, मुंबईमध्ये मुंबई उपनगर, सेंट्रल वेस्टर्न, त्याच्यानंतर नवी मुंबई आहे, ठाणे झालं, पुणे झालं, रायगड झालं, नाशिक झालं, नंतर कोल्हापूर झालं, सांगली झालं, सिंधुदुर्ग झालं आणि सिंधुदुर्गातून आम्ही आता चटकन गोव्यामध्ये आलो. या सगळ्या सेक्टरमध्ये सगळीकडे आमचा आता शिरकाव झालेला आहे. या माध्यमातून आम्ही जवळजवळ 5.5 लाख ग्राहकांना अत्याधुनिक सेवा देतो. त्यामुळे कोणाला शेड्यूल दर्जा मिळालेला नाही. आम्ही केव्हा कॅन्डिडेट झालो, पण आम्ही शेड्यूल सारखाच रिझर्व्ह बँक आमच्याकडे बघते, शेड्यूल सारख्याच सगळ्या सवलती आम्हाला दिलेल्या आहेत. त्या जेवढं त्यांना प्रॉडक्ट काढता येतात, जेवढ्या सोयी त्यांना दिलेल्या आहेत, पण तसं काय फरक राहिलेला आहे. पण ती स्पर्धा मात्र प्रचंड आहे. त्यामुळे त्या स्पर्धेत राहायचं तर आम्ही त्या वेळेस योग्य आणि चटकन असं सत्वर निर्णय घेण्याची क्षमता आमच्या प्रौढात आहे.
Margao Municipal Council got permission from all the required section, but the councillor involved in the contract are avoiding e-tendering to get the commission over it, alleged Margao Municipal Council Chairperson Arthur De Silva. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
सगळे 1 to 21 टेंडर्स आहात आमगेले. 21 फकत एकूच वॉर्डाक आम्ही 2 टेंडर काढलात, ते म्हणटा ते वॉर्ड नंबर 9, ते 2 म्हणल्यार सेम अमाउंट, इट इज 21 जातात. आणि सगळे टेंडर 3 करोड जे आमकां दिल्ले आहा ते 3 करोडाचे सगळे प्रत्येक वॉर्डाक 15-15 लाख वाटून दिलात. कोणाकूच 10 लाख, कोणाकूच 5 लाख अशें करून ऑल 20 काउन्सिलर्स, कित्याक हांव अजून पर्यंत म्हणटा 20 काउन्सिलर्स मागेलेच म्हणून, तितून आनी सेपरेट काय ना. आनी खंयच्याच एका कामाक खंयच्याच काउन्सिलराक कसलेंच काम कसलेंच हिंगा बंद उरना. म्हाका जाय जाल्यार 10 म्हाज्यान धाडपा जातालें आनी उरलेले 10 दवरपा जाताले पेंडींग. बट सगळे ऑल द 20 वॉर्डाचे सगळे हांवें वांगडाच धाडलेले आसा. सगळे एप्रुवल एट अ टायम, सगळे मदीं आनी 5 पयले 5 मागीर तशें आनी करूना, सगळे एट टुगेदर सगळे वांगडाच 20 हेजे आमगे वॉर्डाचे हाडलेले आसा. आतां जो दोश म्हाका दिला त्या काउन्सिलरान, म्हाका इनवॉल्व करून सोडला जाल्यार हितून म्हाजी एक सुद्दां सिग्नेचर ना, जी प्रत्येक हितून हांवें कसल्याच हितून टेंडराक हें केला, सायन केला खंयचेच हितून. फक्त एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह मागीर टेक्निकल आनी सीओ इज इनचार्ज. हितून म्हाका फकत आमगेली सीओ आनी टेक्निकल आमगेले एम बी लिव्हेर गेल्ले आसा, त्या कारणान हांव तुमकां फेस करता. अदरवायज एक एजंट म्हाज्यान हें करपा जाय आसलेलें की बाबा ह्या हितून हांव लागना म्हणून. हितून म्हाका कांयच हांव इनवॉल्व ना.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Goa State Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Goa Dairy, serving fresh milk since 1984.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना, पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ऍडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ऍडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim, Padres, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326114911.
Whitewater rafting.
A pleasant surprise for water sports enthusiasts.
हे very good whitewater rafting ची concept जाऊन असं ह्या गोंयकाराकडे मागता की त्यांनी एन्जॉय करतो स्पोर्ट जो असं.
Enjoy rapids of River Madai.
It's a sheer safe adventure sports.
इसका थ्रिल देता है, बहुत अच्छा है. एज अ कपल हम ये सब कपल्स के लिए रेकमेंड करेंगे.
Whitewater rafting.
From Goa Tourism Development Corporation.
Welcome back. All the people in the state bid farewell to 5th day of Lord Ganesha on Friday. This farewell was done with great joy and slogan Ganpati Bappa Moria Pulya Varsa Laukariya. Later, the idols were immersed during the wee hours. People from Mayam and Ponda bid farewell to Lord Ganesha with great happiness. Nilesh Naik reports from Ponda.
सुख करता कि दुख हरता, सुख करता कि दुख हरता, विघ्न विनाशक गणराया, विघ्न विनाशक गणराया, सुख करता कि दुख हरता, सुख करता कि दुख हरता, विघ्न विनाशक
Before holding a national sport in the state, all the required infrastructure should be completed and even all the facilities pertaining to the crowd should be taken into consideration, said Kala Akademi chairperson and St. Andre MLA Vishnu Suryawag. He further said all the work should be tested before the commencement of the national sport and therefore the Lusophonia game should not be held in Goa. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
From the beginning, Lusophonia games have come under a cloud. Now the latest news is that in International Olympic Committee has de-recognized the Indian Olympic Organization. They will send them a notice to change their constitution and change some of the tainted office bearers. Now the IOA still hasn't done it, still hasn't complied. As long as they don't comply with it, I don't think IOC will give permission officially to IOA to hold the Lusophonia games. It will mean that even if we have the games, there will not be Indian flag, there will not be Indian anthem played at it. So the IOA General Secretary Gurdas Bhakta is already on record that government should rethink on changing the dates. Most likely, see, from the beginning I was saying that it is my gut feeling from inside that Lusophonia games may not take place at all in Goa. Now, though we are creating the infrastructure, the pace with which it is going is not satisfactory. I wonder, even if we complete the work, okay, by working against the clock, when do we get the time to test it for international standards? Before we hold any international event, somebody has, it has to be put to test. So there has to be some minor tournament or game or something which can hold a capacity crowd. If we don't have that and directly we go for holding the games, it might be an invitation for disaster. Nobody knows. Considering all these views, and more than that, technically, what I feel is on the issue of morality and ethics, this game should not be had. Really put a request to the government to rethink over Lusophonia.
That it is a waste of time only because there is no quality into it. Lusophonia game has no quality, so it makes no difference because Goa has got what it wanted, it infrastructure which will be using for national games and all other sports, for our local sports. So it's okay. It makes no difference. Nothing was going. Sports was not going to have a big flip by having Lusophonia, because there's no quality in that whatever they were going to hold. It's just it was a pastime. That's why I said, because there's no quality.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Miki Pacheko got proposal to join National Congress Party. NCP spokesperson say we welcome Miki in our party. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will stay to his word. Advocate Suhas Naik. And before holding national sports in the state, all the required infrastructure should be completed. MLA Vishnu Suryawag. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.